Exercise 5.4, first question. Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is the first negative term? Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is the first negative term? So AP is given, so from the AP we can write A is equal to 121 and D is equal to 117 minus 121, which is equal to minus 4. We need to find which term of this AP is the first negative term. So we need to take AN less than 0. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. So A is 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is less than 0. So 121 minus 4n plus 4 is less than 0. That means 125 minus 4n less than 0. That means minus 4n is less than minus 125. So both the sides are having negative sign. So we have to change that. When you change the negative sign, become 4n, which is greater than 125. The reason is 2 is greater than 1, but minus 2 is less than minus 1. 2 is greater than 1, so minus 2 is less than minus 1. So when you take out the negative sign from both of this, we have to change the sign also. So n is greater than 125 divided by 4, which is equal to 31.25. We got n is greater than 31.25. So we can take the value of n as n is equal to 32. So the question is, which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 etc. is the first negative term? First negative term means an less than 0. So when you apply the formula, a plus n minus 1d less than 0. 125 minus 4n less than 0. So minus 4n less than minus 125. So minus 4n is greater than 125. So n is greater than 31.25. So we can take n is equal to 32. Next question, second question. The sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. What is given is the sum of third and seventh terms is 6. So third term means A3. Seventh term means A7 is equal to 6. So instead of A3 we can write A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. So we are getting this as A plus 4D is equal to 3. So we can take A as 3 minus 4D. This is the first equation. The first relation given us sum of third and seventh terms is 6. From that we are getting A plus 4D is equal to 3. So we can take A as 3 minus 4D. Sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6 and the product is 8. So A3 into A7 is equal to 8. So A3 is A plus 2D into A plus 6D is equal to 8. So we are getting this as A square plus 6D 6AD. A square plus 6AD plus 2AD plus 12D square is equal to 8. So A square When you add these two, we are getting 8AD plus 12D square is equal to 8. So, instead of A, we can give 3 minus 4D. 3 minus 4D whole square plus 8 into 3 minus 4D into D plus 2D square is equal to 8. So, we are getting a quadratic equation in D square, which is 9 minus 16D square plus 12D square is equal to 8. So, it is minus 4D square is equal to minus 1. So, D square is equal to 1 by 4. So, we can take D as plus or minus 1 by 2. D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So, what you have to find is the sum of first 16 terms. So, first case 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. When D is equal to 1 by 2, A is equal to 3 minus 4D, which is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So, when D is equal to 1 by 2, we got A as 1. We need to find S16. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 15 into D is 1 by 2. So, it is equal to 8 into 2 plus 15 by 2, which is equal to 8 into 4 plus 15 by 2, which is equal to 4 into 19, which is equal to 76. This is the first case because we got D square as 1 by 4. So, D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Case 1, we have to take both the cases when D is equal to 1 by 2 and D is equal to minus 1 by 2. When D is equal to 1 by 2, corresponding A is 1. S16 is equal to 76. Then case 2. Case 2, when D is equal to minus 1 by 2. When D is equal to minus 1 by 2, A is equal to 3 minus 4D, which is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So, when D is equal to minus 1 by 2, A is 5. So, S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 10 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 8 into 20 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 8 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 4 into 5, 20. So, the final answer is when D is equal to 1 by 2, S16 is equal to 76. When D is equal to negative 1 by 2, S16 is equal to 20. This is the final answer. Third question from the same exercise. The question is this: a figure is given. A ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. 25 centimeter apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 centimeter to 25 centimeter. If the top and bottom rungs are 2.5 meter apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rungs? We need to find the total length of the wood required to make the rungs. For that, we need to find the number of rungs first. For that, it is given top and bottom are 2.5 meter apart. This is 2.5 meter, but all other things are given in centimeter. So 2.5 meter means 5/2 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 250 centimeter. So the distance between the top and bottom rungs is 250 centimeter. Distance between top and bottom rungs is equal to 250 centimeter. Then come back to the question. A ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. That means the total length 250 centimeter is dividing as equal parts of 25 centimeter. So what we have to find is how many 25s in 250 centimeter. What I said is dividing the total 250 centimeter as equal parts of 25. So we need to find how many 25s in 250. So 250 divided by 25 is equal to 10. So equal parts, 10 equal parts are there. So 10 equal parts means, consider a rectangle. If we divide this as 2 equal parts, how many? See, consider a rectangle. We are dividing this as 2 equal parts. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3. So 2 equal parts means 3 lines. So if we divide this as 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2 plus 1, here 4 plus 1. Same way, the number of rungs is 10 plus 1. Number of rungs is equal to 10 plus 1, 11 rungs. We need to find the total length of the wood required to make this 11 rungs. So actually what you have to find is S11 we have to find. From the question we can write A as 45 centimeter and the last term L as 25 centimeter. We need to find S11. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into A plus L, which is equal to 11 by 2 into 45 plus 25. Which is equal to 11 by 2 into 70, which is equal to 11 into 35, which is equal to 385 centimeter. First we have done is finding the number of rungs, then the sum of the 11 terms. That means the total wood required to make 11 rungs, that is S11 itself, which is equal to 385. Next is the fourth question. The houses of a row numbered consecutively from 1 to 49 show that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers of the houses preceding the house numbered x equal to sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Find the value of x. What is given is 49 houses numbered like this: H1, H2, H3, etc. Hx should be there. Before that, Hx minus 1, Hx plus 1, The houses are H1, H2, H3, etc. Hx minus 1, Hx, Hx plus 1, etc. H49. So 49 houses. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. X minus 1, X, X plus 1, etc. 49. These are the numbers. We need to find the value of x and one condition is given. The condition is this: the sum of the numbers of the houses preceding the house numbered x equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. The sum of the numbers of the houses preceding x means all these. The sum of these 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus x minus 1 equal to sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Following it means x plus 1 etc. plus 49. This is the condition given. The sum of the numbers of the houses preceding x equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1, x plus 2 etc. plus 49. We need to find the value of x. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n, the sum of first n positive integers. I have given a formula for that. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of first n positive integers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can apply the formula here. Here x minus 1 terms are there. So x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 is the first left side. And right side, I am going to write the right side as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 49 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus x. Actually, the sum is from x plus 1 to 49. I have written this as 1 plus 2 plus extra 49 minus, I am subtracting up to x. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. When you subtract this, you will get the same thing, x plus 1 plus extra plus 49. So the first one we can apply same formula, n into n plus 1 by 2, 49 into 50 by 2 minus, here we can write x terms are there, x into x plus 1 by 2. So the LHS is x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 1 is x divided by 2 is equal to 49 into 25 minus x into x plus 1 by 2. I am taking this to the left side. So it is x minus 1 into x by 2 plus x into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 49 into 25. Next we are expanding this, x square minus x plus x square plus x divided by 2 is equal to 49 into 25. So both these x will be cancelled and 2x square. 2x square by 2 is equal to 49 into 25. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So So x square is equal to 49 into 25. So x is equal to root of 49 into 25. So it is equal to root of 49 into root of 25, which is equal to 7 into 5, 35. So the required number of x or required value of x is equal to 35. Then the last question from this exercise. A small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50 meter long and built of solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1/4 meter and a thread of 1/2 meter. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. So how many steps are there? 15 steps, in which this height is given as 14 and this is given as 1/2 and the width is given as 50. So each is a cuboid. So the volume, we have to find the volume or volume of concrete required. That means volume of each of this you have to find. So required volume is equal to V1 plus V2 plus etc. plus V15. In the first case LBH, all the cases we are applying LBH. In the first case is L into B into H. That means H is 14, B is 12 and this is the length, that is 50. So 50 into 1/4 into 1/2. 50 into 1/4 into 1/2. Second case, the height is 1/4 plus 1/4. All other values are same. So 50 into 1/2 into 2 times 1/4. Second case. And third case, 50 into 1/2 into 3 times 1/4 plus etc. plus last term is 50 into 1/2 into 15 into 1/4. We can take 50 into 1/2 out. 50 into 1/2 into 1/4 plus 2/4 plus etc. plus 15/4. From here we can take 1/4 also out. 50 into 1/2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus 15 terms, which is equal to 25/4 into, here also we can apply the formula n into n plus 1/2. So 15 into 16/2. Final answer is 750 meter cube. This is the total amount of the concrete required to make.